Welcome everybody. It's a Jeep, a drone, and an old man here at the Battleship, Texas for our January 2022 update. Got root beer in hand, and an aluminum can because we are in a state park, don't want to bring glass in here. We'll be getting a drone up in the air here in a little bit. Now this is going to be probably only be 3, maybe 4 more updates to the Battleship, Texas in this particular location, because after that she'll be moved to dry dock, and after that she'll be moved to a new location. So time is getting close. I was estimating in April. The foundation has said that she's going to move in the second quarter of 2022. That gives us April, May, and June. And June 1st starts hurricane season, so it won't be in June, so that leaves us with April and May. I was figuring on May myself. That would give them extra time if they ran into any issues along the way. But Travis with the Battleship Texas Foundation has said that the dry dock is going to be available in May. So I think we've got it narrowed down to a month time frame right now. We still don't have an exact date, but as soon as we do, I'll let you know the day I find out, and I check every single day, so I'll know. I've already walked around the ship. Nothing new. The grass has been mowed. That's new, but that's nothing to do with the ship. The bilge pumps are still not running, which is great. It means the foam is still working. There is one bilge pump that comes on and off every now and then. That's normal for a battleship or any ship of this size. So let's get the drone in the air, see what we can see. Take some of our last aerial shots of the battleship here in this location. Well, the last several months worth anyway. And it's a beautiful day out here at San Jacinto Park today. Beautiful, clear skies. Winds are about 5-7 miles an hour. Seas are real calm. Tide is low. The water is clear. It's a beautiful day. We could use with a few puffy white clouds in the sky, and they're not there, but that's okay. Other than that, it's a beautiful day out here today. Temperature's about 60 degrees, not too hot, not too cold. It's a great day. Fishermen are out. Visitors are out there. There's about 20 cars in the parking lot, which is really odd. Usually when I come out, there's 2, 3, 4 cars. So there's a lot of people out here today too, which is great. Barges going up and down the ship channel. It's a really nice day. I'm in the picnic area back behind the battleship right now. It's been mowed, it's been groomed up some. It looks pretty nice. The shade trees are doing what they do. They're shading. You can probably hear them in the breeze. It's just a beautiful, awesome day out here today. Wish you could be here. As you can see, the inspection plate that was off last month and the month before is still off. Not sure if actual work is being done there or if that's being used to drain water from the ship. I don't believe it's being used to do that. The ship is just not taking on that much water anymore. Not sure why they've left that inspection plate off for so long. want to thank everybody for coming along on the trip today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to help me out with my root beer fund, use that thanks button below this video. I'd certainly appreciate that. If you can help out with some of the video cost productions, I'd appreciate that too. For right now, it's been a Jeep, a drone, and an old man. We'll be seeing you next time.